Hey, what's up? John Sonmez from simpleprogrammer.com. So I got a question about ideas. I always get a lot of questions related to like, will an idea work? And I thought I'd kind of answer this with this question I got from Peter. And so Peter says, I want to start organizing weekend classes for software developers. My lectures will be focused on helping them learn how to build better systems through industry-proven patterns and practices. I have interest in automated testing, which my classes will be largely based upon. Is something that has not gained practice here in Nigeria. I'm afraid that I might put out something and have nobody attend the classes, and they may think that there are free resources online which can help them learn whatever I have to teach. The bottom line is, how do I test out if this will work? So, Peter, I think this is one of those things that a lot of people struggle with, right? They have this idea and they're unsure whether or not, in your case, you're not sure if people will attend or if they think there'll be free resources online. And so they just think about it a lot and they don't do it. So really the answer is you don't know if this will work out, but you got to keep trying, right? So go and do this thing, right? You've got the idea, you got to take action. Go ahead and create these classes and invite people to come. Don't give up prematurely. Just keep on trying and see what happens and get feedback. Maybe one or two people show up and then you get feedback from them and you figure out why people didn't come. You try something new, and if you consistently stay on a path and you adapt as you go down that path, right? It means that instead of being pigheaded and saying, no, I'm just gonna do it this way, you don't give up, but you keep adapting as you go, then you're eventually going to find success. Like, it's very difficult to not stumble on the path of success if you keep on moving forward and you keep on changing your direction as you're getting feedback. So I would say really, the bottom line is you don't know. You don't know if things are gonna work out, but you gotta test it out, you gotta try it, and you gotta have a little bit of faith and confidence, and you gotta be willing to adapt. And if you do that, then you're gonna hit success. And even if you don't find the success you're looking for with this particular project, you're going to learn from it, right? You're going to get something from that experience, and maybe you'll figure out a different format, or maybe you'll figure out a better idea. Plus, you're going to have that history of taking action and doing something that's going to help you to have confidence to move forward. So, my best advice for you, Peter, would be just go for it. Just do it. Most people don't take action. They don't do anything. This is one of the things that I urge the most on this channel is to take action. So be a doer. Be a person who takes action. And in fact, I've got a video which I'll put like right here, called Be a Doer, and you can check out that video if you want to see more. There's actually a good speech by, I believe it's Franklin Roosevelt, that talks about being a doer. That I actually read that in that video. So anyway, thanks for the question and the email, and if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.